20+ social media marketing insights to grow your business. With over 5 billion active social media users, there are many potentials for businesses to reach a broad audience through social media marketing. However, with so much competition, it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd. Social media usage statistics. The average person spends around 2 hours per day on social media. That means that if you want to reach people through social media channels, you should aim to post at least once every hour. Facebook is the largest network, with more than 1 billion monthly active users worldwide. Twitter has more than 200 million monthly active users and is proliferating. LinkedIn is another powerful networking platform that helps you connect with other professionals. It has over 300 million members globally, and LinkedIn gives a lot of detailed data about individual members. Social media consumer behavior statistics. The average person spends 1 hour and 40 minutes daily on social media. However, the reality is that most people spend less than 15 minutes using any service. So, if you want to get people's attention, you need to keep things concise. People also use social networks to share content such as pictures, news stories, music, movies, TV shows, and even shopping deals. Here are some additional social network consumer behavior statistics. People use social networks over 250 million times per day. The average user visits 10 sites before buying a product or service. Facebook users check their phones about 21 times per day. YouTube viewers watch 22 video clips per day. Twitter users tweet 12 times per day. Despite gloom and doom, Facebook remains the most used platform by marketers worldwide, 93%. Instagram sits in second place, 78%. Social media traffic sources. There are many different social media traffic sources, each with its unique benefits. By understanding the various traffic sources, you can better optimize your content and drive more traffic to your site. According to Adopter, Facebook loses $3 billion in ad revenue annually due to poor ad targeting. To answer these questions, we first need to determine the source of Facebook traffic. There are 3 primary sources of traffic: organic traffic, paid traffic, referral traffic. Organic traffic refers to web traffic generated by unpaid links shared on social networks. It's free traffic, so it's not considered paid advertising. Paid traffic refers to traffic driven by advertisements. You pay for those ads, either monthly or per click. Because most Facebook ads are shown to friends of fans, they're highly relevant to the people viewing them. Referral traffic comes primarily from websites or apps outside of Facebook. Most of the referral traffic is generated by sites like Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, Reddit, Tumblr, YouTube, and forums. Here's a breakdown of what each platform has going for them. Facebook can be used as a tool to build brand awareness or to promote products and services. Its newsfeed algorithm is designed to show posts from friends, family, and brands near the top, keeping customers engaged in brand conversations and building credibility for your products. Twitter is an excellent way to keep up to date with news stories about your industry. You can also use it to broadcast customer service messages and promotions. If you do not want the posts to go unnoticed, you can also use scheduling tools like Hootsuite to schedule all your future posts in advance. You can monitor which platforms are most famous for sharing information by reviewing data from Google Trends. Instagram traffic sources. How many followers does your account have? What type of posts tends to perform well? This information gives you insights into how to make your content more appealing and engaging. Google Analytics provides detailed stats on how effective your campaigns were. How can I improve my performance? The answer is simple: measure everything. By tracking different elements of your campaigns, you will be able to identify areas for improvement while providing evidence of your progress. On average, users spend more than 5 minutes on each social network they visit, and Facebook is used for longer than any other social networking site. Younger generations between 16 and 24 years old are most active on Facebook. It's been reported that only 25% of marketers use social media marketing as part of their strategy. How does your targeted audience differ from others? An excellent way to determine whether your target market fits your ideal customer profile is to look at the audience that visits your website or engages with your social media presence. There are many ways to find out more about your audience. The average user spends around 5 minutes per day on LinkedIn, but this varies depending on what they're doing. For example, if you're looking at job opportunities, it could take longer than usual, and it will be less than usual if you're browsing news feeds and reading updates. TikTok statistics. The app has become so popular that it now boasts 1 billion users worldwide. Just last year, the platform was downloaded over 100 million times. Instagram statistics. People spend an average of 15 seconds on Instagram, but according to Statista, 60% of Instagrammers spend between 30 seconds and 2 minutes on the site. In addition, 70% of users who visit the site daily spend 5 to 10 minutes on the network. Twitter statistics. On Twitter, the average user spends 20 minutes per day. YouTube statistics. YouTube is one of the world's largest video platforms. According to SimilarWeb, the site receives more than 800 million visitors per month from different countries. Facebook statistics. There are over 2 billion monthly active Facebook members, making it the second most popular website in the world after Google. As such, Facebook has become one of the best places to market products online. According to Facebook, the average member spends 4 minutes per session using the platform. Facebook is losing its dominance in social media to new players, and there are signs that the platform's growth rate is slowing down. Pinterest statistics. While Pinterest isn't quite as popular as Facebook, Tumblr, or Instagram, the site does have millions of unique visitors every month. According to Statista, Pinterest is the fastest growing social network worldwide. Snapchat statistics. In fact, in 2016, the company surpassed 100 million daily users. That's why businesses need to be prepared to take advantage of the platform. According to Snap Incorporated, 92% of millennials consider their phone their primary form of entertainment, 2018. Google Plus reached 500 million users last month. Google Plus has been around since 2011, designed to help companies connect with their customers. Since then, the network has seen steady growth, with 200 million monthly active users and 100 million daily active users. Social media advertising statistics. When someone retweets your content, it's shared with their followers. Content social media marketing statistics. Regarding social media marketing, statistics show that content is king. A recent study found that 78% of marketers say that their top challenge is creating enough content, and 59% say that they struggle to produce engaging content. If you're looking for some inspiration, check out these statistics on content and social media marketing. 92% of marketers believe that social media is vital for their business. 43% of marketers are posting 3 times a week or more. 33% of marketers don't have time to create content. 12% of marketers spend over 6 hours each month working on content creation. Instagram is one of the best platforms for generating leads. People tend to trust images more than text. So by using pictures instead of readers in your posts, you can give your audience a better experience and encourage them to engage with your brand. Here are some tips on how to get started with Instagram lead generation. Make a series of helpful images. Use an image from your customer journey, a picture of your latest sale, or even a simple graphic showing help. Provide value first. It's vital to ensure your followers feel like they are getting something for free. Create eye-catching visuals. Include hashtags. Hashtags are an excellent tool for connecting with other users. One great place to start is by optimizing your profile so that users discover your page. Conclusion. In conclusion, social media marketing is essential to any content strategy. By understanding the most important social media marketing statistics, you can tailor your content to your audience and see better results. Keep these statistics in mind as you develop your social media marketing strategy, and you'll be sure to see more success.